Hello and welcome you all. So now we are going to make a rock paper scissor game in a Tkinter. So first let me just show you how the actual game would look like after we code for it. So let me just show you. So this is how the game would look like. Here you would see a welcome note at the end and you can see your score as well as the computer scores. So now we have a free choice to select either rock, paper or scissors. So this three are button and this is the computer's choice. So it would randomly choose basically. So let me just try to select a rock and see what do I get, whether I win it or lose it. So let me just click on rock.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
So now you can see I won because I have selected a rock and the computer guy has selected a Caesar. So I won, so my score is 1. You could clearly hear that there is a background music also with that. So now let me just select any other option. So I would select let's say Caesar.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
So now computer won because I have selected a Caesar and computer has selected a rock. Now let me select any other option. So I would select this guy, paper.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
So now there is a tie. So no one has got the score. So now my score is 1 and computer score is also 1. So let me select one more time. So I would just select this time a rock.
Rock, paper, scissors, 1, 2, 3.
So now computer has won. So in 3 to 4 try, computer had scored 2 and I had scored 1. So basically computer had won. So this was a game. So let's just try to implement a code for it in the next video.